Oh wow. I need to go back to East London, guys, and just get my eyebrows waxed and get my nails done. This is ridiculous. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oyama Mninzi. Guys, we are way past the whole compliments Happy New Year stage now. We are past the 15th, and my reasons for saying that is that after the 15th of January, everyone has gone back to work and the year is not new anymore because reality is within. Okay guys, so as you can see with the title, by the title of the video, today's video is about my 2019 goals. I know in the previous video I said I'm not excited about this year, so I don't really have any like things that I would like about the year or resolutions or whatever. But I did sit down and just think about personal things that I really think I would like to have or would like to achieve or would like to experience by the time 2019 concludes. And even though I'm not excited about the year, but I can still have goals, you know. So yeah, I just decided to sit down and think about a couple of things that I would like for this year. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so the first thing that I would love to complete or get by the time 2019 is over is to have my driver's license. But I actually want to get my driver's license before my birthday, which is on the 26th of March. So I'm hoping I can do that. We'll see what happens, but yeah, that's one of my goals. That's the first goal that I would like to achieve. These are mostly things that I would want to work on personally as Oyama. So yeah, the second goal is consistency. Not just with my YouTube channel. I'd love to be consistent with going to see Julie, my psychologist, because last year, like I said, last year was a very terrible year for me. So I started seeing a psychologist for depressive symptoms. Well, that's what they called it in the letter, but yeah. I started seeing a psychologist, so I want to be consistent in going to see her because sessions with her actually helped me last year get through the end of the year, because most of the year, the beginning of the year to like the end of the, close to the end of the year, I was just going through the most alone and not talking to anyone. But I started seeing her, and I think I saw a turnaround in just me as Oyama. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I would love to be consistent in is giving you guys YouTube videos. Definitely that. And I want to give you guys like quality, like, is it quality content, you know, quality, not just good like videos that will be nice to look at, but videos that you guys will enjoy. So definitely that. I am definitely trying to have that. So I appreciate feedback. So if you guys can just tell me what you guys think so far about the videos and what you guys would like to see, then that'll be very helpful. So okay, so another thing that I would love to maybe try and get or have by the end of the year is a camera. So that is sort of linked with the consistency with the YouTube channel. I've always wanted a camera, like even before I had a YouTube channel. So I'm just hoping I can get a camera this year. I already have my eyes set on what camera I want. So I am just working hard to save up for that. Yeah, so hoping to get a camera by the end of this year, so wish me luck. Another 2019 goal of mine that is like a must in order for me to get the camera is better financial decision making and healthy savings. Oh my soul, guys, like I know I can be very, when I need to be, I can be very good with my finances, but I still find a way to mess it up. So this year I definitely want to have a better to manage my finances better. Yes, I want to manage my finances better, so I can just, just feel my okay, right? So yeah, definitely I'm trying to have that go down. Okay, so earlier I said that I want to be consistent in seeing my psychologist. That is a little, yeah, I want to be consistent in seeing my psychologist because, sorry, I just zoned out there. So another thing that I definitely want to be very consistent in, no, sorry, not consistent in, but another thing that I'd like to achieve is just to improve the way in which I deal with failure and disappointments. One of the biggest reasons why last year was like hard on me was because I constantly feel like a failure, constantly feel like I'm a disappointment, constantly and I am constantly disappointed with people, with things, and just constantly feeling like everything around me is just failing and anything that I touch is failing. So I want a better way of improving that. Like, oh wow, I want a better way of managing how I respond to those things. Yeah, and just grow, not that if your way of dealing with it people is a little that means you're immature. No, I just want a better way of dealing with those things, because failure is part of life. I think in order for you to get to a better place, you have to fail at something, and I'm bad at it. I just don't know, like, I'm bad at responding to failure and disappointment. So definitely want to improve on that. So that will definitely require me to live life. Sorry guys, I heard this from someone. I think I heard it from someone, or I saw it somewhere. Maybe I saw it on Twitter, because I've been on Twitter a lot lately. But something that I'm going to keep saying to myself in order to be able to just improve how I respond to life and respond to disappointments and failures is to live life. This is the thing that I heard. To live life by life's rules. So I'm definitely trying to have that happen to me this year. Last year was hard, guys. And to the person who said this phrase, live life by life's rules, thank you for sharing that. I'm not sure who you are, because I can't remember, guys. I literally can't remember who said it. But yeah, thank you so much. I am definitely, like, not trying to say I'm plagiarizing someone, but I'm quoting someone. I just don't know who. So if that's you, shout outs, beep beep. Thank you so much for those words. They really triggered me to think about the things that I want in just life, and so and actually that person's quote is the reason why I actually decided to write down a couple of things that I would like for 2019. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any goals that you are definitely trying to achieve this year, go ahead, like, let's just work hard, guys, and just push through. Life is not easy, but I really believe that when you want something and it's meant to be, it will definitely happen. So yeah, have a great weekend. I'm definitely thinking of changing the day in which I post my videos from Friday to another day. I don't know when, but I'll decide later. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Comment, and if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs up. If you didn't, then tell me, just give me a thumbs down, and then tell me why you didn't like the video if you want to. If you don't, then, but yeah, definitely comment watch, share, and tell me how you feel about the video. Goodbye.